In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trading 212 referral link. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, sharing your referral link can be a great way to bring others into the world of trading while also earning a little something for yourself. Let's dive into the simple steps that will have you sharing your referral link in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to app.trading12.com. Once there, log into your account with your usual credentials. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account where you'd like to retrieve your referral link from. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Trading 212 interface. Look towards the top of your screen, and you'll notice a small icon with three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon, located at the top left corner. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will open the main menu for your account settings and options. After you've accessed the menu, look down the list of options and you will see one labeled Get Free Shares. This is the section we want to explore. Click on Get Free Shares, and this will lead you to the page dedicated to the referral program that Trading 2 to 12 offers. On this page, you'll get more details about the program itself, including the benefits it offers. Now, once you're on the referral program page, you'll see an option to copy invite link. This is the crucial step where you'll grab your unique link. Clicking on Copy Invite Link will automatically copy this link to your clipboard, making it ready for you to share with just a simple paste command wherever you choose. Finally, it's time to share your referral link with your friends or anyone you think would benefit from joining Trading 212. You can share it via email, messengers, social media platforms, or any other method that suits you. Remember, each time someone uses your link to sign up and makes an eligible deposit, both you and your friend could receive a free share as part of the referral program's incentives. It's a win-win for both sides. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained and shared your Trading 212 referral link, helping others begin or continue their trading journey while you enjoy a bit of a reward yourself. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides on making the most out of your Trading 212 account. Thanks for watching and happy trading.